how are you all? Children, as we have done so many letters, so today we are going to learn further letter, that is letter M. Okay children, so let's start. This is letter M. This is capital letter children and this is small letter M. As in your previous standard, you have learned letter M sound and the letter start with letter M. But today we are going to learn how to write letter M. Okay children, so let's start. So children, this is letter M. So it's very simple. Standing line, slanting line, up slanting line and again down. So it becomes letter M. This is capital letter M. This is small letter M. I have taught you this pattern children, right? So this pattern we are going to do over here also. Standing line and curve and again you have to come from here and down. It becomes letter M. And the sound of letter M, M. Yes, the sound of letter M is M. Okay. And children, the words start with letter M are M for mango. Can you see this mango? Yes. M for mango, M for moon, M for man. Okay. So all these words start with letter M. So today we are going to learn how to write the letter M. So first children, I have written some spellings. So we are going to underline letter M because we are learning letter M. So monkey. So I am going to underline this M. I can see M over here, so I am underlining this. Man. So I am going to underline M. Mango. Here. Okay children. So yes, I have underlined all the letter M. Okay, how we are going to write letter M now? It's very simple. This is your red and blue line book. So let's start. From red line to blue line. Okay. Standing line. Okay, first standing line you have to do. Slanting line. I have done slanting line. Again go up. Slanting line. And come down. It becomes standing line. So what is this? M. Standing line, slanting line, and standing line. Okay, so this is letter M. So children, this is letter M. This is capital letter M. So now we are going to learn small letter M. So small letter you have to write in a blue line. Standing line, curve and curve. It becomes letter M. Okay children, again I am going to teach you standing line, slanting line, till blue line you have to do, go up, again come down. Okay, it becomes letter M. Okay, now small letter M, standing line, curve, and from here also, here only children you have to come up and do curve and standing line like this. Okay children, again standing line, slanting line, go up, slanting line, standing line. Okay, standing line, curve you have to do, and one more curve and standing line. Okay children, if you are not able to do, tell your mama to give your dots. Okay, डॉट डॉट करके भी करोगे तो आपको आ जाएगा. ओके बच्चों, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, slanting line, up and down, standing line, curve and standing line. So it becomes letter M. So it's very simple children. You also do writing practice of letter M and show me. And children, we have started Hindi also. Yes children. So do practice Hindi letters also. It's very important to learn Hindi also. So we have started Hindi letter also. So do practice of Hindi also, this also, and numbers also. Okay children, and do counting practice also. Okay, so till then children, bye, take care, and please share your photos and videos with me. Okay, bye.